Hi, this is Messi, and in this video I will show you how to include some math functions graphics into LaTeX documents, as well as kind of freehand graphics. So let's get started. For this I will need to install a couple of packages. So I will just type sudo apt-get install, and I will need the full support for text live, latex mk, latex draw, maxima, w maxima, wx maxima, just because I would like to have the GUI for maximum, just to be sure. Plot. Let's install also the integration between LaTeX and Vim. And I think that this is pretty much what I need for this presentation. If I'm missing something, I will install it on the way. So this is the extra packages that will be installed. I don't see a few of them. Maybe it's because I already have them installed, but for example, LaTeX Draw installs also OpenJDK because it's written in Java, so it will also install them. So let's get started. Okay, after having those installed, let's start. The first thing is that I'm going to create a folder in my desktop for this presentation. And let's start talking about Maxima. Maxima is a computing algebra program. That's a pretty one and very useful. Let's say, for example, I want to know the factor of this, or that I want to expand this expression into this one, or that I want to plot a series of graphics. Of course, I need to tell this at least the range and the x-axis, as we have here. But this graphic is not so nice as we could have. We maybe would like to set some options. Let's set the wire range. I want to plot this from -7 to 3. It's a bit nicer. Let's also include some options here. I will call it GNU-plot preamble, and the value is a text. So let's include so the grid, and this one we now have these lines here. Let's also include this parameter. All the parameters in the GNU-plot preamble must be separated using the semicolon symbol. Okay, this looks much better. So we have our graphic here, and let's say that this one is the one we want to export into LaTeX. Okay, having this done, I will include another 2 parameters here. The first one is the GNU-plot term, which is the terminal where I want to make this to be shown. So the term is LaTeX, and the other one is the output file. Of course, this is a text with the path to the file where I want to store this. Apps and sign.tech, and let's see what we got. We have here the file, so let's see. Well, as you can see here, I have a very long document. So let's close this, and okay, I will use Logic Draw to make first the freehand graphic. So I want to include here Cartesian plane, and let's draw a region here. Okay, we have now here our graphic. Maybe I will want to include some text here. Oops. Okay, I won't. But the idea is that I have my graphic here, and as you may notice, we have here this panel where the latex snippet is created as long as I'm editing this. Let's for example say I'm gonna modify this. So for example I can move this, and you will see that here the information have changed. So I will copy this and I will save it into a file. Here we have the previous graphic. I will include a new file, let's say freehand the tech, and let's paste the information we got here into this file. Let's save it, and that's all. I'm gonna also create a new file, workshop.tech. This is our main document. I will open it and I will write some LaTeX here. So first I will define the type of article or document I want to write. I will choose article, and I will include a few options. So first I will give support to my mother tongue and support to write equations. I will also include a couple of packages. More support for Spanish. That's pretty much what I need so far. So let's start writing the document. Let's add the title, workshop 01, some information about me. Let's include the date, and let's make the title. Okay, and let's start for example with a couple of questions here. Let's draw the functions we previously draw. And that's all. Now I will include the graphic we previously drew here. So, oh, let's call the content of the absence in that text file into this one. I'm gonna align everything, and as you know, for that graphic we got this huge amount of lines of code that are really annoying to read, so I'm gonna fold this because I already know that this line contains more than 1000 lines of code to get that graphic done, so I really don't want to see that, and for me it's easier to keep modifying this document if this is fold. Okay, I will save this and I will set the target to PDF. Let's compile it and let's see it. Okay, we have our PDF document here. We have the graphic we previously draw, and it looks nice. Now I want to include this one into the document, so let's keep editing this. I'm not sure if this is the actual word. I guess this one is the word. Okay, so let's include the graphic we did with the latex draw program. Okay, if I compile this I will get some errors because I need to include these packages. I will do that here. I will paste them here and I will remove this, and okay, we now have the packages here, and I don't need this, and I don't need this. I will change this to 1.5 as a scale factor, and let's align this. Okay, I will save this. Since I'm using this PS tricks back, and this is a little bit trickier. I'm gonna close this and I will show the process in the folder. So basically what I need are just these ones. I will keep these ones as a reference, but all that I need is in this file. So let's open a terminal. Let's go to the folder. And the first thing is to convert the LaTeX document into DVI. Now we have the DVI here. Let's take the DVI and let's make it a PostScript one. We have the PostScript here, and finally let's take the PostScript file and let's convert it into a PDF. So we have the PDF here. Let's see it. Here is the graphic. So I'm still doing some research in how to include graphics in LaTeX documents. Maybe it's easier for you to generate the graphic in another program. Just having the PNG file will work for most of you, but I just wanted to explore the proper way to write LaTeX to include graphics in this way. So if you have comments, please leave them, and I will more than happy to answer questions or get some feedback. Bye bye.